Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today I created this look for Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day to all you lovebirds. This is the look I created using a new palette from Morphe. This is the Morphe 9C palette. And to be honest, I don't really hear anybody talking much about this palette for some reason. I thought it was a beautiful palette. So these are the shades. This is the 9C Jewel Cruel palette. And the colors are just so pretty. This packaging is totally awesome. First of all, it's very affordable. It's just $12 from Morphe. And the packaging is totally different. As you can see, it's really sleek and nice. It has a nice clear mirror that you can look at yourself when you're doing your makeup. And the shades are really nice. It also has the names on the palette itself now. Names of the shades is right underneath the pans. And then you also have the back here where it marks what palette it is. And it's also really cool because before Morphe used to just have like a sticker for what palette it is, but now it's like completely on the palette. So I thought that was really cool. They really just stepped up their game so much in their packaging as well. So very nice, sleek and chic, and the shades are so pretty. And I thought, why not create a nice Valentine's Day look with this palette? I am going for more of a MUAVE plummy tone eye look and some nice bold lips. So I think it turned out really nice. I incorporated some glitters on there, obviously. So yeah, I really love it so much. So if you guys would like to see how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. Let's go ahead and start doing this next eye. You know, the beginning always start off with the MAC Soft Ochre as usual. Set it with powder. We are going into the palette, the 9C Jewel Cruel palette. Right here, so pretty. Transition shade will be this one down here called Stone Fox. We are adding this onto the crease. Go into this nice plummy purple shade called Rich Girl. Putting that on the outer corner. Just pretty much blending it out. The tiny little brush, let's go ahead and cut the crease in the front towards the center of the lid. This time let's go to this brown shade called Chocolate Diamond. That kind of on the outer corner. Blend out with that Rich Girl shade. Just want it all to blend nicely. We're going into this shade called Purple Rain. Just to add some glitter on the lid, I'm going in with the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Ritz. And this one just gives me the nicest little glitter specks on the lid. Putting that there. Let's go ahead and add a wing. We are going in with the Ciate Fierce Flicks eyeliner. Then go in with Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Liner in the shade AC/DC. Putting that right on top here. too far. Let's go ahead and add some lashes and we'll be back on camera. Brows and lashes are on, and let's move straight on to the face. I will be using Dr. Brandt's Pores No More Luminizer Primer. Then of course for concealer, my NARS concealer. Concealing underneath the eyes and any blemishes that I have. And then my current favorite foundation, the NARS Longwear Radiance Foundation. Let's go ahead and start powdering the face. Of course, contouring with my Hampton's Weekender palette. For blush, I'm going in with Anastasia's Peachy Love palette, and I'm going in with a 2 shade here, putting it on the cheeks. Let's go back and finish the eyes. Put that underneath the eyes. Inner corner, let's go into Rose Quartz. On my waterline, I will be adding a black liner underneath. And on top. The highlight, I'm going into the Gimme More Pressed Powder Highlight from ColourPop. And then you open it up and you see these beautiful highlighter shades. And I'll be popping into the one in the middle. And lastly for lips, I'm going into this little Jouer lipstick, and this is the Cerise Noir color. And let's go ahead and spritz with some MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus.